Friends, today's topic is diamond and diaper views. Here we are taking some description about the diamond and diaper views with the help of this slide. And to understand diamond and diaper, I have taken a comparison of these two designs. Diamond views are symmetrical about vertical and horizontal axis. These are the designs which are symmetrical about vertical and horizontal axis. Do you remember the name of the design or the draft which is used for symmetrical designs? Name of the design which we have already done is based on symmetry of vertical axis or horizontal axis, or the draft which is used for the designs which are symmetrical about the vertical axis. Can anybody answer? We prefer a draft for the designs which are symmetrical about vertical axis.
Pointed draft.
Pointed draft, very good. That's why diamond here you can see, because this design is symmetrical about vertical and horizontal axis, and the designs which are symmetrical about vertical axis, we use pointed draft for them. That's why in the second point I have written pointed draft, means these designs are produced with the help of pointed draft, or pointed draft can be used to produce diamond views. So diamond views are the designs which are symmetrical about vertical and horizontal axis, whereas diaper is the view which is not symmetrical about vertical and horizontal axis, it is symmetrical about diagonal axis. If we take a square and we make a diagonals there, then this is symmetrical about the diagonal axis, not the vertical and horizontal axis. So that is the first difference between diamond and diaper. Diamonds are the designs which are symmetrical about vertical and horizontal axis, whereas diaper is the design which is symmetrical about both the diagonal axes. And because these are symmetrical about vertical axis, so they can be produced with the help of pointed draft. And these are symmetrical about diagonal axis. So the design which we have already taken, or the draft which we have already taken, that is herringbone draft, because in herringbone draft, one line said to be cut into the other line. And if we proceed the other line, then it will form diagonal axes. And that's why this design diaper can be produced with the help of herringbone draft. And how we construct pointed draft and herringbone draft, that already we have seen, that already we have understand, along with the wave twill and herringbone tools. So here we will need the knowledge of this pointed twill, wave twill or herringbone twill to construct diamond and diaper. And diamond can be produced on the basis of waved twills. And basis of wave twill means wave twill are used as lifting plan, whereas diapers can be produced on the basis of herringbone twill, means by taking herringbone twill as a base, we can produce diaper designs. But we are using a twill as the base, means we are using them as a lifting plan. So they will be indicated in the lifting plan. So by taking this wave twill, and particularly we have to take a vertical wave twill, because we are taking them into peg plan. So in peg plan, we will use vertical effects, pick-wise effects. So here, because peg plan is concerned with hills and picks, so here we use pick-wise, and pick-wise means a vertical effect. Means reversing is taking place on a particular pick instead of a particular end. So here we are using a wave twill as a vertical wave twill as a lifting plan. Here we are using vertical herringbone twill as a lifting plan. So by using a pointed draft and vertical wave twill, pointed draft as a draft and vertical wave twill as a lifting plan, you can construct a design which is known as diamond, which will be symmetrical about vertical and horizontal axis. In this way, all the 3 points are covered. Similarly here, by taking a herringbone draft as a draft and vertical herringbone twill as a lifting plan, in suitable sizes, we can produce a diaper design. And the design which is produced here, the diaper design which is produced here, will be symmetrical about diagonal axis. And that will be that we can see with the help of examples. We can understand with the help of examples. So these are the three differences between diamond and diaper designs. And diamond and diaper can be taken as, or can be understood as, further modification of modified twills. Diamond is a further modification of waved twill, whereas diaper is the further modification of herringbone twill. Waved twill and herringbone twill are the modifications of twill. And further they are modified into diamond and diaper respectively. So diamond and diaper can be also taken as modifications of twill, further modifications of twill. So steps of construction of for diamond weave, as I was explained, construct a pointed draft as a draft in suitable size. Then second step, construct a vertical wave twill as a peg plan in a suitable size. And then construct weave from above draft and peg plan by taking this pointed draft as a draft and vertical wave twill as a lifting plan. You can construct a weave. If draft and lifting plan is given, you know how to construct a weave, and that weave is known as diamond. So in this, by following these easy steps, these three steps, we can produce any diamond design in any given size. To understand it, we are taking a diamond weave in 12 cross 12. Here I'm taking a square size. So this is known as square diamond, but it is not essential. You can take a steep diamond or a flat diamond, means a vertical diamond or a horizontal diamond. It's like 12 cross 10 or 10 cross 12. That is also possible. Or 14 cross 12, 12 cross 14, 14 cross 10, 10 cross 14. Oblong diamonds is also possible to construct, but this is a square diamond. Generally, we prefer square diamonds. So first we are taking an example, and then I will explain how we can convert them into other sizes. So first try to understand a diamond weave in 12 cross 12. So if the size is 12 cross 12, then the base twill, because here it is 12, and you know the pointed draft, if you have to construct a pointed draft, then it can be constructed with the by taking a base twill that is 3 up 3 down, because it is in 12 cross 12. So a 3 up 3 down base twill is required here. However, we can go for other base twills also, but generally we prefer 3 up 3 down. And if we are taking 3 up 3 down, it means number of hills 3 plus 3, that is 6. So total 6. And EPR in the base twill is 6, PPR is 6, number of hills required is 6. Oh, it's by mistake. It is, please correct the mistake here. It is not herringbone draft, it is pointed draft. Correct it. It is a pointed draft. ये मैंने diaper की वजह से यहाँ पर copy हो गया. It is a pointed draft in 12 cross 6 and a vertical wave twill in 6 cross 12. As we have taken in the previous slide, the steps, first construct a pointed draft in suitable size. So suitable size is 12, EPR is 12, and your number of hills is 6. So a waved draft, a pointed draft will be constructed in 12 cross 6, and a vertical wave twill will be produced in 6 hills and 12 peaks, because in the design we have 12 peaks. So 12 EPR, so draft will be constructed in 12 cross 6, and PPR is 12. So lifting plan will be constructed in 6 cross 12. This is pointed draft, and this is vertical wave twill. And here is one example to understand how we can construct a pointed draft. So you can see here a pointed draft. The size required for a pointed draft is 12 cross 6. Size required for design is 12 cross 12. So first select a size 12 cross 12 on graph paper for design. Then just above the design, select a size of 12 cross 6 for draft. And just parallel to the design at the right side, select a size 6 cross 12 for lifting plan. After selection of the sizes in a suitable location on the graph paper, now our next work is construct a draft. and that will be pointed draft in case of diamond. So you already know how we construct pointed draft. If the size is 12 cross 6, EPR is 12 and Hills is 6. So in this case, you can see your EPR is not equal to 2n minus 2. Because if you take 2n minus 2 for 6, then it is 10. So if it is 10, then 6 will be the point of reversal. But if it is not equal to 2n minus 2, then we calculate point of reversal, that is that we have indicated by k. So first we calculate point of reversal k. So k is equal to 12 plus 2 divided by 2. That will be 7th thread. शायद मैंने यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन किया होगा, नहीं है, ठीक है. So it is 12 cross 6. So the point of reversal will be the 7th thread. So ये 7th thread को मैंने सर्कल किया हुआ है यहाँ पर. 1 to 12 ends. नीचे लिखे हुए हैं यहाँ पर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 ends. और point of reversal is 7th thread. So 7 को मैंने सर्कल कर दिया. Means this is point of reversal. POR. So up to this point, we have to move straight to construct a pointed draft in one direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1. Up to 1, it will be straight. Up to 7th end, it will be straight. And then from next, it will reverse. So this taking this as a center, this will be 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. ये बीच में जो mark है, this should not be there. This is by mistake. So it is 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. And the last end is passing through second hill frame. It means this is a correct pointed draft. In this way, first we construct a pointed draft and indicate in place of draft for diamond design. Then we construct a lifting plan. In lifting plan, we have to indicate a vertical waved twill. And as I have already explained you, vertical wave twill can be produced by reversing on a particular pick. So here the reversal point is 7th because it is also in 12 picks. So instead of EPR, here we will take PPR, that is 12. So PPR plus 2 divided by 2, 12 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 7th pick. So here the 7th pick is the point of reversal. What you can do, here you have, it will better if you take a diagonal method first to construct the design. I have assumed this as a center line, first mark, second mark, third mark, fourth mark, fifth mark, sixth mark, and this is 7th mark. And then again this is 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. This is pointed draft मैंने यहाँ पर indicate किया 1 to 7 and 1 to 6, then 1, then 6 से 2 तक reverse किया है. Similarly here 1 to 6 straight, then 7. I don't know what type of happiness students are getting by these type of activities. Anyway, here, so by taking this center line, and because you know, in pickwise method, we have to add the marks pickwise. So to make it 3 up, 3 down, pickwise. If we are taking this as a center line, and because this is 3 up, 3 down, so 2 marks can be added to the right, 2 marks can be added to the left, or 1 mark at the right and 1 mark at the left. And generally we prefer to get a very, very balanced effect. We add 1 mark at the right and 1 mark at the left. So more symmetry is maintained. So I have added 1 mark at the right and 1 mark at the left. Similarly, 1 mark at the right, 1 mark at the left. Then 1 at the right, 1 at the left. यहाँ थोड़ा सा आपको कंफ्यूजन होगा क्योंकि बीच में जो बेस्ट मार्क हैं वो मैंने एक ही कलर से ले लिया या एक ही तरह के मार्क ले लिए. अगर मैं बेस मार्क को सर्कल से इंडिकेट करूं और बाकी मार्क्स को क्रॉस से इंडिकेट करूंगा तो इट विल इजियर टू अंडरस्टैंड. थोड़ा आपको अच्छे समझ में आएगा बिकॉज दिस सेंटर लाइन को अगर अलग कर देते हैं अलग कलर से या अलग मार्क से देन इट विल बी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर क्योंकि अभी मैं इसमें चेंज नहीं कर सकता हूँ. तो ये दिस वन इज अ सेंटर लाइन constructed same as the draft, and then we have added the marks at one at the right and one at the left. Automatically you will get a vertical wave twill in the required size. अगर आपने ये जो बेस लाइन जो ड्राफ्ट के अकॉर्डिंग जो हम बना रहे हैं वर्टिकल ड्राफ्ट समझ लें आप एक तरह से, अगर वो आपने करेक्ट बनाया एंड देन यू हैव एडेड द मार्क्स इन द करेक्ट मैनर, देन यू करेक्ट मैनर मींस रिक्वायर्ड मार्क्स. आपको 3 up 3 down चाहिए, इसलिए 1 mark is already there. Now we have to add 2 more marks. 2 marks can be added to the right, 2 marks can be added to the left. But to get more symmetrical designs, we are adding 1 mark at the right and 1 mark at the left. So in this way, we have constructed a vertical wave twill. And by taking this pointed draft as a draft, this vertical wave twill as a lifting plan, you can construct a design. You already know how we can construct a design if draft and lifting plan is given. So try it, try after the class, and you can match the design with the given answer here, and that will be a diamond design. In this way, you can produce diamond views in any given size. Here, if it is 12 cross 12 is given, that's why we have taken 12 cross 6 draft and 6 cross 12. If it is 10 cross 10 is given, then we will take a simple pointed draft 1 to 6 straight and then 5 4 3 2. And similarly, baseline will be indicated here in 10, and you will get 10 cross 10. You can construct into 14 cross 14 by changing the point of reversal also. But if sometimes it is asked constructed design in 14 cross 12, 14 cross 12, EPR is 14 and PPR is 12. So first decide base twill like 3 up 3 down, n is equal to 6. Then now it is 14 cross 12, EPR is 14 and number of hills is 6. So if EPR is 14 and number of hills is 6, draft will be constructed in 14 cross 6. So 14 cross 6 में draft कैसे बनेगा? Just you have to change the point of reversal. 14 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 16 by 2, that is 8. ये point of reversal 7 के बजाय 8 हो जाएगा. And in this way you can construct the draft. But जो lifting plan है, क्योंकि आपको 14 cross 12 लेना है, तो आपके number of hits तो 6 है, number of picks 12 हो गए हैं, तो PPR plus 2 divided by 2, 12 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 14 divided by 2, that is 7. तो ये सेम लिफ्टिंग प्लान बनेगा. लिफ्टिंग प्लान बनेगा 6 क्रॉस 12 में, ड्राफ्ट बनेगा 14 क्रॉस 6 में, एंड देन डिजाइन बनेगा 14 क्रॉस 12. That will you have to make slight changes according to the size of the diamond view asked in the question. Similarly, if it is 12 cross 14, तो ये आपका ड्राफ्ट सेम रहेगा 12 cross 6 में, और लिफ्टिंग प्लान आपका 6 cross 14. Now steps, again the same thing is happening. Really surprised to what type of things students enjoy in the class. Step of construction for diaper weave. Construct a herringbone draft as a draft in suitable size. वहां पर हम क्या कर रहे थे? डायमंड में we were constructing a pointed draft. Here we will construct a herringbone draft. Here again we are constructing a vertical herringbone twill as a peg plan in suitable size. Instead of vertical wave twill, we will take vertical herringbone twill. And by taking this as a draft, and this in step number 2, whatever lifting plan we are getting, with the help of this draft and peg plan, you can construct the weave. And that weave will be a diaper weave. So by following the almost same steps, doing the required changes, you can produce a diaper design in the similar manner as we are producing diamond design. And here is the example. So we are taking a size 12 cross 12, similar size, so that you can compare diaper with the diamond design. So here draft will be constructed in 12 cross 6 based on 3 up 3 down twill. 12 by 12 के लिए हम 3 up 3 down twill लेंगे, base twill. So here it is 12 cross 6 में draft लिया है, 6 cross 12 lifting plan and 12 cross 12 for design. After selecting the suitable sizes on the graph paper in suitable locations, then we start working, or then we start constructing the first herringbone draft. So number of fields is 6 and EPR is 12. So it is indicated in 12 cross 6. And herringbone draft is constructed by taking straight line or straight draft up to half of the design, up to n by 2. So 1 to 6, it is straight. And then here we are starting with n by 2 hill. as I have taken the principle of drafting of herringbone in the previous class of herringbone design. हम जो ड्राफ्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं वो कहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं? n/2 से. So n is 6, so 6/2 means third hill. So next end will pass through third hill because the interlacing of sixth hill frame and third hill frame is exactly opposite. And at the point of reversal, interlacing of the ends should be exactly opposite of each other. That is the principle of herringbone 12. That's why we have started with 3 and then reverse the direction. पहले हम left to right जा रहे थे, यहाँ right to left, 3 के बाद 2, 2 के बाद 1, 1 के बाद 6, 6 के बाद 5, 5 के बाद 4, and 4 और 1 आपस में opposite होंगे. In this way, we first construct a herringbone draft in the required size. Then similarly, इसी ड्राफ्ट को आप वर्टिकली इंडिकेट कर दें. 1 2 सेंटर लाइन देखें आप इसकी, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 के बाद अगेन सेंटर में 3, यहाँ 3 पे आ गए, 3 2 1 6 5 4. इसी को हमने 90 डिग्री पर टिल्ट किया, 1 2 6, then 3 2 1 6 5 4. And then to make it 3 up 3 down, 1 mark at the right and 1 mark at the left, it will become 3 up 3 down. But remember, in all the vertical effects, marks are added horizontally, pick-wise, because it is reversing on pick. So we will add the marks pick-wise. And when we are reversing on an end, marks are added vertically, above or below. That we have to consider or keep in our mind when we are constructing end-wise effects and pick-wise effects. So by taking this as a draft, this as a lifting plan, you can construct a design, and that design is known as diaper design. And you can see, if you make diagonal axis, you will see that these designs are exactly symmetrical about the diagonal axis, not the vertical and horizontal axis. आप देखें, similar effect यहाँ पर नहीं आ रहा है, vertical दोनों अलग अलग आ रहे हैं, ये भी अलग हो रहा है, इधर horizontally भी आप देखेंगे दोनों अलग अलग आ रहे हैं. पर अगर आप डायगोनल लाइन बनाएं तो आप देखेंगे इधर जो इफेक्ट है इस डायगोनल लाइन के इस तरफ जो इफेक्ट है वही इफेक्ट इस तरफ है, इस डायगोनल लाइन के भी इस तरफ जो इफेक्ट्स हैं वही इफेक्ट इस तरफ होगा. एंड दैट्स व्हाई these designs are known as diaper design. These are symmetrical about the diagonal axis, can be constructed with herringbone draft and vertical herringbone twill as a lifting plan. One more method for the construction of diaper is shown here with the help of directly with the help of example here. Sometimes if it is asked construct a diaper design, और उसमें आपको क्वेश्चन में ये नहीं पूछा है कि with the help of draft and lifting plan. अगर ड्राफ्ट और लिफ्टिंग प्लान पूछा है, कंस्ट्रक्ट अ डायपर डिजाइन विद ड्राफ्ट एंड लिफ्टिंग प्लान, तब तो आपको ये मेथड लेना, इस मेथड को आप प्रीफर करें, क्योंकि ड्राफ्ट और लिफ्टिंग प्लान तो आपको बनाना ही है. तो आप पहले से ड्राफ्ट और लिफ्टिंग प्लान बना के डिजाइन बना ले, दैट विल बी इजी एंड more chances of less chances of mistakes will be there. So you can follow this method, first draft, lifting plan, and then you can construct the design with the help of draft and lifting plan. That is easier. But sometimes in the examination, if it is asked only construct a diaper design, not with, sometimes there may be two types of questions, construct a diaper design along with draft and lifting plan. तब तो आपको ड्राफ्ट और लिफ्टिंग प्लान बनाना. इफ इट इज आस्क्ड कंस्ट्रक्ट अ डायपर डिजाइन, तो ड्राफ्ट और लिफ्टिंग प्लान नहीं बनाना है. तो उस केस में आप, और एक इजी मेथड है जिसमें आपका टाइम सेव होगा. टू सेव द टाइम यू कैन डायरेक्टली कंस्ट्रक्ट द डिजाइन विदाउट कंस्ट्रक्टिंग ड्राफ्ट एंड लिफ्टिंग प्लान. एंड फॉर दैट it is 12x12, so I am taking 3 up 3 down twill as the base. यहाँ मैंने right to left लिया है. There is some specific reason that I will explain at the when I will complete this design कि मैंने ऐसा क्यों लिया है. But just for at this moment, just understand that I am taking 3 up 3 down left-handed twill. This base twill I am taking for the construction of diaper. So here I have taken, I have divided this 12x12 into 4 equal parts. इसको 4 equal parts में divide कर दिया, means I am getting each section of 6x6. ये 6x6 का पहला section, ये दूसरा section, ये तीसरा section और ये चौथा section. So divide the whole repeat into 4 sections. सेंटर में एक लाइन यहाँ पे वर्टिकल लाइन ले लें और यहाँ भी सेंटर में एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ले लें जो कि आपको विजिबल हो, वो ज्यादा डार्क भी नहीं करें उसको, ताकि डिजाइन आपको सेक्शंस में डिवाइडेड नहीं लगे, but that should be visible to you, so that will help you to work out in different sections. And then ये जो 6x6 का डिजाइन है आपका 3 up 3 down quill, इसको as it is यहाँ पे कॉपी कर, फर्स्ट सेक्शन में इसको कॉपी कर दें 3 up 3 down लाइक दिस। ये मैंने सेपरेट भी बना रखा है, इसी को मैंने यहाँ पर कॉपी किया है। नाउ दिस सेक्शन कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड जस्ट बाय फॉलोइंग द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ हेरिंगबोन ट्विल। हेरिंगबोन ट्विल में क्या होता है, जहां भी पॉइंट ऑफ रिवर्सल होता है वहां पर एंड्स या पिक्स थ्रेड्स का इंटरलेसिंग अपोजिट होता है। यहाँ क्योंकि 3 अप 3 डाउन है तो ये स्टार्ट होगा 3 डाउन 3 अप से, एंड यहाँ हम राइट टू लेफ्ट जा रहे हैं तो यहाँ हम लेफ्ट टू राइट जाएंगे। तो ये आप देखिए यहाँ एडवांसिंग 1 1 1 लेफ्ट इधर हो रहा है, यहाँ एडवांसिंग राइट हो रहा है, राइट की तरफ हम मूव कर रहे हैं। 3 अप, देन इट इज 1 अप 2 अप 3 अप, देन अगेन 1 अप 2 अप 3 अप, देन 1 अप 2 अप 3 अप, देन मूविंग राइट, देन मूविंग राइट। इन दिस वे यू कैन प्रिपेयर दिस सेक्शन। एंड अनदर मेथड इज देयर, आप 6 का अपोजिट 7th ले लें, 8th अपोजिट होगा 5th का, 9th अपोजिट होगा 4th का, एक एक पहले जाते जाएं। 10th अपोजिट होगा 3rd का, 11th अपोजिट होगा 2nd का, एंड 12th अपोजिट होगा 1st का। इस तरह से आप ये सेक्शन प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं। चाहे तो आप एडवांसिंग से कर लें, चाहे आप रिवर्स करते जाएं एक एक पिक को और इसको बना लें। देन सिमिलरली बाय दिस सेक्शन कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड बाय रिवर्सिंग द ट्विल हियर, क्योंकि ये हेरिंगबोन प्रिंसिपल पे है तो ये 3 अप 3 डाउन है। अब ये हम वर्टिकली ले रहे हैं क्योंकि यहाँ हम रिवर्स कर रहे हैं, तो ये 3 अप 3 डाउन है लास्ट एंड, यहाँ पर 3 डाउन 3 अप ले रहे हैं। और क्योंकि यहाँ हम मूव कर रहे हैं वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन में अपवर्ड, यहाँ डाउनवर्ड मूव करते जा रहे हैं एक एक से, एंड दिस टूल विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड। और अगर ये भी आपको इजी नहीं लगे, अगेन सेम, दिस एंड विल बी अपोजिट ऑफ प्रीवियस एंड, दिस विल बी अपोजिट ऑफ द नेक्स्ट प्रीवियस, next will be opposite of next previous, next will be opposite of next previous, and the last 12th will be opposite of first one. In this way, this section can be prepared with the help of this one. And here we have freedom. Either this can be prepared with respect to this section or with respect to this section. इस section के respect में कर रहे हैं तो हम ends को reverse करेंगे, इस section के reverse में कर रहे हैं तो हम picks को reverse करेंगे. And in this way you can fill up the marks in all the 4 sections. And this design is also diaper design. So that is another method of construction of diaper designs directly without constructing draft and lifting plan. So depending on the question, you can prefer the method. That's all about the construction of diamond and diaper designs. Yes, one more point which I have not covered in the slide, and that is a very, very minute point. Generally, sometimes in the examination question may be asked why we prefer balanced twills for the construction of diaper designs. Why we prefer balanced twills for the construction of diaper designs. Any student? जैसा भी हमने यहाँ पे 3 up 3 down लिया है, यहाँ हमने 3 up 3 down लिया है, you can take 2 up 2 down, 3 up 3 down, 4 up 4 down, और 3 up 1 down, 1 up 1 down, 1 up 3 down, balance effects. Why we prefer balanced designs? Balanced designs are preferred because you can see in herringbone principle, it is working on opposite lifts. So 3 up 3 down का opposite 3 down 3 up होता है, तो automatic in this case we are getting the same interlacing in the next section also, and that's why it is constructed with herringbone draft. But अगर यहाँ पे आप suppose 5 up 1 down ले लेते हैं तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, 1 up 5 down आएगा। तो 5 up 1 down के लिए आपको 6 हिल्स फ्रेम की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, एंड अगेन 1 up 5 down के लिए भी आपको 6 हिल फ्रेम्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. It means this will be constructed with the help of 12 hill frames. The design of 12 ends will be constructed with the help of 12 hill frames. It means straight drafting will be used, not herringbone draft. So if herringbone draft cannot be used, it means we cannot reduce the number of hill frames. We cannot save the number of hill frames. And if more number of hill frames is there, more weaving cost will be there. More the weaving cost is more the cost of the fabric will be there. So to produce a economical fabric, generally balanced wheels are preferred. Balanced wheels are having the advantage of reducing the construction of the designs with less number of hill frames. Just half the number of hill frame is compared to imbalanced wheels. You can say war-faced wheels or weft-faced wheels. Are you getting this point? अगर हम यहाँ पे वेफ्ट फेस लेते हैं तो यहाँ पे वार फेस आएगा, यानी कि इंटरलेसिंग डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. इंटरलेसिंग डिफरेंट है तो डिफरेंट हिल फ्रेम चाहिए. बट यहाँ हम क्या करते हैं, 3 अप 3 डाउन ले रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पर भी 3 डाउन 3 अप आ रहा है. और कोई हो सकता है ये एंड सिमिलर नहीं है, लेकिन कोई एंड इनमें से किसी एंड से सिमिलर होगा, बिकॉज 3 अप 3 डाउन इज रिवर्स इज 3 अप 3 डाउन 3 अप. ऑटोमेटिकली यू आर गेटिंग सेम इंटरलेसिंग ऑर्डर इन द नेक्स्ट हाफ, जो कि आपका फर्स्ट हाफ में थ्रेड्स का है. तो सेकंड हाफ के थ्रेड्स फर्स्ट हाफ से सिमिलर होंगे. इन व्हाट केस? व्हेन वी आर टेकिंग बैलेंस्ड टूल्स, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन प्रोड्यूस दिस डिजाइन विद द हेल्प ऑफ herringbone draft. And if you are taking herringbone draft as compared to straight draft, it means number of hill frames required is just the half. In this case we require 6 hill frames. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर जो प्रीवियस ड्राफ्ट मैंने आपको प्रीवियस स्लाइड में ड्राफ्ट शो किया, ओनली 6 हिल फ्रेम्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. अगर यहाँ मैं 3 अप 3 डाउन की बजाय 5 अप 1 डाउन लेता हूँ तो यहाँ पे 1 अप 5 डाउन आएगा. और ये जो एंड से सेकंड सेक्शन में वो प्रीवियस सेक्शन से डिफरेंट होंगे. डिफरेंट एंड्स रिक्वायर डिफरेंट हिल फ्रेम्स. सो टोटल 12 हिल फ्रेम्स की जरूरत होगी, यानी कि हेरिंगबोन ड्राफ्ट यूज नहीं कर सकते, हमें स्ट्रेट ड्राफ्ट यूज करना पड़ेगा. तो अगर स्ट्रेट ड्राफ्ट यूज करेंगे तो लिफ्टिंग प्लान विल बी सेम एज डिजाइन. एंड स्ट्रेट ड्राफ्ट में आपको नंबर ऑफ हिल फ्रेम्स जो चाहिए वो 12 चाहिए एज कंपेयर टू 6. एंड दैट्स व्हाई द डिजाइंस आर द बैलेंस्ड wheels are preferred for the based wheels. That's all about diaper and diamond designs. If you have any question, you can ask.
सर अपन डायमंड डिजाइन डायरेक्ट कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं कर सकते क्या, जैसे डायपर किया है?
डायमंड भी कर सकते हैं, बट डायमंड का थोड़ा मेथड डिफिकल्ट होगा. डायमंड यू कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट, बट आपको ये इसमें बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इस पार्ट जो आप बना रहे हैं, इस पार्ट यहाँ पर इस पार्ट से नेक्स्ट पार्ट वो इतना एग्जैक्टली डिफरेंट नहीं है.